I am Connor and I'm studying HNC engineering at Coleg Gwent. I chose this course from natural progression. I studied motorsport engineering in this college and allowed me to stay at home with my parents, so it'd be easier for me. What I like most about this course is that we're getting a lot of new technology. For example, the robotic arms have just come in this year, and we got all new facilities downstairs. We got composite labs and good enough PCs to work with CAD and 3D printers. I didn't really know what I wanted to do straight away in university, and the HNC course, it only lasts 1 year and it allows me to build on all the general skills in engineering. This course has prepared me quite a bit. It's helped me build on skills I already got, for example, CAD. We use the computers to practice CAD quite a lot. I would recommend studying HNC engineering at Coleg Gwent. We got all the new technology within the facility, and it's something you can use then to go further in the field.